Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Matt's Market. We got some good DD for you tonight, so thank y'all very much for tuning in, guys, and thank you very much for all the support y'all been giving us. We are currently 10 subscribers away from 1,600, so if you can, tell your friends, tell your family, share the stream. Thank y'all very much for tuning in for another episode. Let me put that light on, then we'll be rocking. Give everybody a few minutes to hop on in here. What's up, Dr. Derbs? What's up, Rick? Dr. GTI? Hey, the market's going to go up, Dr. Derbs. I got the feeling, man. I got the feeling. I think we're about to see some pretty major stuff happening with cryptocurrency within the next 4 weeks, and I think it's going to be a great time, man. Let me give everybody a few minutes to hop in here, and then we'll get rocking, guys. What's up, Crypto Critter? Crypto Rufio? How's it going, man? Thank you very much for tuning in, my brother. Guys, if y'all got a Twitter, make sure to follow me on Twitter. I got the link, Streamlabs, dropped in the box. Love to keep in touch with all of y'all on Twitter as well. What's up, Clown Baby? We got the whale, Mr. Rick, in the house. The one, the only Bitcoin holder. If you're holding Bitcoin, man, you should be very happy with yourself right now. Look, I know we saw the violent action yesterday. I know we saw a lot of FUD in the markets with the El Salvador stuff. But guys, crypto's about to reverse, and it's going to reverse in a big way, and I truly believe that. We've been seeing absolutely crazy stuff happening in the market. One, for instance, look at Hex. Hexcoin by Richard Hart is number 4 in the all-time list right now. So there's a lot of craziness going on in the markets right now, but Bitcoin is absolutely setting up for a massive run up to 100K, guys. And if people say, well, you know, there's only a couple months left in the year, how is that going to happen? Well, if you look at what Bitcoin did the other day, it actually yesterday, it fell $10,000 within 1 hour, guys. 1 hour it fell 10 grand. If we would have went up in 1 hour 10 grand, you'd have been sitting at an all-time high almost on Bitcoin. So that just shows you how quick the markets can actually move, guys. So it's yeah, we're a little red from where we were the other day. I understand that, and people like a few people in the community, my heart goes out to them. But if you're holding and you believe in the cause, man, it's gonna come back to you. Things are setting up so freaking nice right now, just with the way the whole market is lining up for the month of September and October. I think we're absolutely about to go on a pretty good run. Hey, D Gray, man, good to see you, man. Thank you very much for tuning in, man. We got Jonathan K. Yes, Discord alert, man. Got to get the Discord going. Got you, man. Music a little loud. Let's try it right there, man. Let me know if that fixed it. Institution shorted Bitcoin a bit ago, not the whales. Where you read that at, man? I haven't been watching much of whale traders on Twitter, but guys, it's rough to say it, but you can almost throw the charts out right now. The sentiment for crypto is happening. Crypto is about to get back on track, and these prices right here are going to be the best buying opportunity I think you're going to see for the rest of the year, quite honestly. So just get ready, guys. I think stuff's about to start heating up in the next couple weeks, and I think it's going to be a great time. Give me 1 second. Let me see what this is real quick. All right, sorry about that. Okay, he found it. What's up, OMG? How you doing tonight? Half asleep tonight. Sorry, not talkative. Just tune in. It's all good, clown baby. So we also they had some news today about Panama accepting Bitcoin. So you're starting to see more and more countries coming to terms with stuff. So that's going to be good news for us, guys. Very good news for the crypto market. I'm most surprised about Hex right now. Hex has been absolutely ripping, and I first found out about Hex when Richard Hart went on BitBoy Crypto, and he just went off. He was saying how you could sell it on a double, buy it again, sell it on another double, and he was right, man. If you go back and look at the chart for Hex, it is ripping and rocking, man. It is doing its thing. It's number 4 on the crypto top 10 list right now. That says something. I wasn't expecting it to move like that, and it's not overtaking Cardano yet, but it's pushing the heels right now. And guys, if you're looking to get into Hex, do your own research. But as of right now, I know one way that you can actually get it, and that is through MetaMask. You can swap it for Ethereum, but the gas fees are going to eat you alive right now. It's not profitable for the short term to get it, but it probably has a lot more room to grow, and it could definitely be profitable for you. But I'm trying to find a simpler solution to where we can actually pick it up without getting eaten alive with gas fees. And as soon as I figure that out, I'll 100% let everybody know. But as of right now, MetaMask, swap it for Ethereum, and that's where I'm at with that process. So I'll keep everybody updated. HUT still finished green today? Dude, I did not even look at HUT. I was honestly just watching the crypto market super close today, man, just because the day we had yesterday. And look, I kind of thought we would be slightly green today. We're pretty much neutral from where we were. Yeah, we dipped hard this morning. It bounced back. It ran to 26 cents for Doge. A lot of cryptos had a pretty good run back up. I saw ADA at 250, just about an hour or two ago. So that was great news to see. I was very happy for that. But we also have the Lonzo upgrade coming September 12th, which is this Sunday, guys. And that's going to be a huge day. Now, look, for all you Solana people out there, Solana's ripping. My price target for Solana was 250. And I'm sticking to that. But be very careful with Solana. Solana's running off of the news of NFTs and all the hype with that. Same thing with ALGO right now. I think ALGO could possibly still be a great play right now. Just be careful with it. Do your own research. You have to understand that you're buying at some pretty good highs right now on ALGO and Solana. But I think ADA is the Solana killer. That's just personally what I think. I think maybe not killer, but it's going to take a lot of momentum away from Solana. So if you're looking to pick up some SOL right now, I think you have a very short time to before the prices start to curl over and start heading down. And that's off the heels of the update for ADA, which is coming this Sunday, guys, and we'll be doing a live stream for it and keeping you guys up to date. I think it's going to be a great, awesome day. I'm really excited to stream it because we've been talking about it for 4 months now, and it's finally happening. And it's going to be a great time, guys. Great time. But as of right now, we got Dogecoin 25.41, XRP 110, Bitcoin 46.190, and Litecoin, I got it back up. Litecoin was ripping last night. It was up 5% for the start of the new day. You can see where we ended up. So Litecoin's a kind of silent creeper. I like to, tend to look at it from time to time and be like, man, I should have picked up a little Litecoin. But I don't buy it. It's just not me, but I know some of y'all do, and I fully expect Litecoin to start heading back up as well also. So yes, Crypto Zach, looking forward for another bullish run for crypto. Dude, it's coming, man. End of the year, the whales want to get out very profitable too. The institutions want it to go. It's going to go, man. We have one more good run in us this year, guys, and that's what I truly believe. I'm going to be selling the top sometime between now and December, and I'm sticking to that, man. I honestly believe that's what's about to happen within the market. So let me pull up HUT real quick because I did not see it, man. I know the other day, when everything fell, it fell to $9. Right back at 1025, up 2% on the day. Not bad, man. Not bad. We'll be watching HUD very closely this weekend again, like we always do, to see if Bitcoin has a bit of a run over the weekend, which could possibly set you up for a nice buying opportunity come Monday. Now, this was a long weekend, plus we had the news of El Salvador on Tuesday, and it's just been a crazy week so far, guys. But that is crypto in a nutshell. It's super crazy. It can move $10,000 within 1 hour. So if you're sitting here saying, I don't believe it can go to 100K, it moved 10K downwards in 1 hour. If it moved up, it would have been sitting at pretty much an all-time high on Bitcoin in 1 single hour. So keep that in mind, guys. If you're not in, be very careful. If you're shorting, I'm a long-term bull right now. That's what I'm doing. I'm adding them to my position. I got some Doge yesterday at 24.30, I believe it was. Actually, I had to reset my buying order quite a few times because the exchanges were having so much trouble handling all of the traffic that was actually rolling through the markets at the time, man. It was just absolutely insane what was going on. We saw Coinbase shut down. Multiple platforms were not even, handling trades at the time. So that's what can happen on an upswing too as well. Like you get a major upswing 10K in an hour, the systems are going to overload and you're going to have those problems buying in, and you can miss out on possibly what could be some really good gains come shortly, guys. So I remain super bullish right now. Currently, it was depressing, guys, to see Bitcoin finally hop above 50 on the day chart and open and close above it, and then we had a fake out. That was not cool to me because it took so long, it took so much energy and tracking the markets to finally see some pretty decent profits over the past month, just to get it taken away from you in a matter of 1 hour. That's how the market goes sometimes. No one can predict this stuff unless you're a super big whale that's trading the market like crazy. But I still believe that Bitcoin, XRP is going to fly. All the major cryptos have one really good push left in them. I think you'll see Bitcoin over 100K pretty soon, guys. Pretty soon. Sorry, had to get a sip of water. Guys, if y'all could smash that like button for me, I'd greatly appreciate it. Who's Spear'em? Oh yeah, I got you, man. Yeah, somehow Robinhood didn't crash, man. That's where I picked up my Doge. So I give crap to Robinhood. They've done me wrong. They've done me right. I still don't like them, just because I was big in the AMC thing. It's just, I don't know, principle, man. That's all it's about. But if it allows me to buy and sell during these hectic times, this is the second time I was allowed to buy in the hectic, in the midst of all the chaos, but I also got screwed on the way down. So pick and choose your battles. For the way up, I think Robinhood's pretty solid, but you don't actually own the crypto that you're trading right there. So that's the only downside to trading on Robinhood right now until the wallets are released. And when will that be? I'm not optimistic, I can tell you that. But let me see, Matt, do you think I'm right about holding Dogecoin? Yes, man, I do, man. I think you'll see $1 Dogecoin this year, man. I think we're heading back to small time highs, man. It's been a long time since we've seen some pretty good action, and we're in the midst of a bull market right here, guys. And yeah, we saw some really harsh bearish activity in this market, but I think we're going to finish out the year good and then possibly look to retrace about 80-85%. It's historically proven after every bull cycle, you know, crypto tends to retrace 85% of its value. And yes, the charts do matter in a sense, but as of right now, I'm throwing the charts out the window. I am going to do some TA tonight, but I'm not too overly concerned about the charts. I'm with the sentiment right now. This is where I think it's heading, and we'll see, guys. You know, we got a couple months left in the year. Possibly, you know, there's a lot of experts in the field right now are predicting Bitcoin is going to run for possibly to mid-October, somewhere within the end. We'll see what happens. You know, nobody's 100% spot on, but there's lots of talks for one major bull run left in this cycle, and I fully believe it, man. I really, really do. What's up, Adar? Thank you for tuning in, man. All right, so Rick, with that saying, possible double bottom on Bitcoin. Let's see, man. I'm gonna pull up the big chart right here, guys, and then we'll go over some TA. Just to give you guys some support and resistance, because for short-term traders, it does matter. The charts do matter. But let me get this pulled up. So, I mean, this is what I'm saying right here. Look at this RSI on the 4-hour chart for Bitcoin. It's still sitting at 31. When this thing reloads, I think we're going to shoot a good bit past 52. I really do. I mean, your RSI is super, super low. Let me zoom in right here. How about that recent rip on SHIB? Shiba is ripping because of Coinbase, man. Coinbase is picking them up. I ran, I think, at the high of 20% today. I like Shiba, man. I'm going to pick me up some. I don't know when. Probably yesterday was the best day to pick it up, but I didn't, you know. I'm gonna pick me up some and hold it for quite some time, man. So these little 4-hour doji candles right here are just kind of just doing their thing, man. Trading pretty much flat and sideways off this level of support. So what tells you right there off the 4-hour chart, this can signify this is pretty darn good support, sitting around 46,000. So you got really, really strong support at 46. After that, 43 is what you're looking at, and we had that line drawn up from months ago, guys, and look, it bounced right off of it. So completely bullish to see that actually happen off that major dip we saw yesterday, to actually still be respecting those old levels of support, and to find some common ground right here. Trade sideways and let the RSI reload and start working our way back up, because, you know, from right here to right here, it ain't that much room to grow. And if that RSI heats up really quick, you can see yourself back up to 50K fast, guys. We saw it yesterday, move 10K in 1 hour. Crypto can move fast. I'm expecting a good move to the upside for hopefully the rest of the rest of the month. Now, I'm not saying we're not going to have dips in between that, but I'm expecting some pretty good moves come here shortly, guys. And I'm holding my crypto and I'm adding right now, because that's what I truly believe. And if I'm wrong, you know, I'm wrong in a big way. But guys, I'm fully confident in what's about to happen, and I'm excited, man. Everybody should be excited for crypto right now. Bitcoin, look at 5 minute. I mean, you almost had a double bottom here at 45.8. Oh, so that level of support was 45. 4.885. Man, I was close, man, with that level of support. We bounced at 4.885, so almost had a double bottom there. You should get a pretty good bounce. All these moving averages right here are starting to converge on each other. It could go either way right here. You'll probably just trade sideways for a little bit till we get some more volume pumping in. We'll see what China's feeling this today. China's getting up, getting ready to step into the market. So we'll see how they're reacting today. Hopefully today will be a pretty good green day in crypto. I'm expecting some pretty major moves for ADA for sure. Being that smart contracts are about to be released on Sunday, I think you'll see a pretty good run up until Sunday. So that's why I'm kind of giving the prediction for this weekend will be a pretty green weekend in crypto. And I think Saturday into Sunday will be a pretty good day for Cardano. One more question. What do you predict will happen to the price of Doge during the Doge 1 moon mission next year? Buy the rumor, sell the news. Huge. Zach, there's a lot of stuff I believe that's going to happen in between now and when that Doge mission is launched. It could be a possible news catalyst. That could be buy the hype, sell the news. I think by that time we will be in the bear market. So we'll keep a close eye on it, monitor it as we get closer to that. But that could be a possible news catalyst, buy the hype, sell the news. That's what I think. Because I mean, what other thing is it doing than actually giving knowledge about Dogecoin? I mean, yes, the whole project is funded with Dogecoin. Very cool, man. It just doesn't, it's the beginning of a purpose, yes, but I don't see it as a major market mover. I think it might be buy the hype, sell news, man. But we'll keep a close eye on it. I can't wait for that, honestly. But you can see right here, simple TA, guys, 14-day moving average. You're getting a bounce off that 5-minute candle on Bitcoin right here. You're within a tight wedge right here. You got the 50 and the 200-day. All it would take real quick is a quick smash through with some volume, and you get right back above it on the 5-minute. But that's just really microscopic looks. I like to look at the 4-hour guys if you're looking for some good buying opportunities. And, I should have stuck to my guns the other night, last week, when I was talking about the 200-day moving average, possibly going back for Doge, because that's exactly what it did. Exactly what it did for ADA. And we're still moving up, guys. We're still moving up. We just have a really big setback right here. We erased a month worth of gains within 1 hour yesterday. It's sad, but I feel worse for the people that got margin call, that were trading on 10x, 20x leverage, that lost their accounts. That is what these whales, when they hit that sell button yesterday, they didn't care about all the retail investors that got caught in the mix. That's why you saw the drop from 52 all the way to 46, 47, and then you watched it drop like within a 10-15 minute time frame from 46 to 42. So it was really disheartening to see yesterday. But as fast as crypto can dip, crypto can rip, and that's fully what I'm expecting, guys, for this the rest of this month. Honestly, I think it's going to be a really green month for crypto. I think people are going to be pretty impressed with what's about to happen. Hey, Jen. Thank you for tuning in. Matt looks like a ghost. Oh, I'm cutting in and out, aren't I? I'm sorry, man. It must be the black shirt I'm wearing with the background. Dang, that sucks. Sorry about that, y'all. Let me see if I can fix it real quick. I think it's the black shirt. So, note to self, don't wear a black shirt on the stream anymore. I'll put the note down. Guys, what's your thoughts? How y'all feeling on crypto? Right now, yeah, Bitcoin's, down ever so slightly on the day. Not even 1%. XRP's chilling at -3%. XRP's definitely gonna head back to 130 to retest that technical breakout level. And I think we'll get it again this time. So right there, that's 20-cent gains on XRP, what I believe. And Dogecoin, I'm looking to get it back to 30 cents, man. I think we'll see 30 pretty shortly. And you buying the dip, yep. You know what happens when you buy the dip for a long period of time. You get here, and then it dips again, hey, just keep buying the dip. You're gonna be fine. Crypto is I'm fully expecting crypto to go on a massive run right here, guys. And I'm not a hype man. I don't like to hype stuff, but it's looking very good right now. And that's coming off a day where everything dropped 30%. In the gist of things, the charts are still on an upward trend. So just hang tight, guys. It's going to be a beautiful month for September, and we're going to make some pretty good profits this month. The cam is really blurry. I'm sorry. I don't know why it's doing that. Let me see if I can turn that light off. Give me 1 second. All right, let me swoop back to the chat. What's up, Win Moon, man? How you doing, brother? Jen says, I'll be happy once I'm back in. I'll be happy for you. I do think crypto's about to do some pretty good stuff, especially with ADA. I think ADA is going to have a pretty decent run up to till Sunday, and possibly, I don't think it'll be by the hype, sell the news. I'm more concerned about Solana because I think ADA is going to really take some steam away from Solana. I still think possibly this week you might see Solana hit 250, and that's pretty much my top price for Solana. I mean, we saw it rip the past 2.5 weeks from 68 to 200, where it's at right now. I'm not hopping in anymore on Solana. I'm just going to sit tight. We also saw ALGO running off the news of NFTs today. Man, it's just ALGO's doing his thing. I'm still uncertain about where ALGO can go for tomorrow. You might see a little bit of red. Who knows? I don't know enough about the coin to actually break it down in that sense. But I think ALGO could, just saying from what Solana did, we saw FET the other day do his thing. ALGO's doing his thing. It's a hit or miss, man. ALGO could have another great 20-30% day tomorrow, or it could fall out. Nobody knows, but just be careful if you're looking to get into those. I am a little bullish on ALGO, so we'll see what happens tomorrow. But as of right now, I want to see Doge, Bitcoin actually start to break through these moving averages on the 4-hour, and that whale, once the buying pressure steps back in. It hasn't stepped back in quite yet, and I'm saying that with look at the RSI, it's still sitting around the 30. It's waiting to reload, and once it does, I think we'll blow past some of these levels pretty quickly, guys. Let's pull up some Doge, because that's our favorite crypto over here. What's up, 2020 Tech, man? How you doing? I was looking forward to a stream today, man. I had to go back to your channel and make sure I didn't miss one, man. But good to see you in the chat, my brother. So 4-hour chart, still looking good. Everything's trading sideways as of right now. 30-minute, let's check it out. See where our 200-day moving average is. So moving average is still at 28 cents. It can get back up there really quick, guys. All that's going to take is some volume stepping back into the crypto market, which I do think you'll see heading towards the weekend. Today's hump day, so possibly tomorrow could be a pretty decent green day. Hopefully anywhere between 5 and 10% would be awesome. Set up for possibly Friday, Saturday into Sunday with ADA. I think you might see ADA actually look to break out a little bit more than the rest of the cryptos, just because the news catalyst coming this weekend. So it's very good to see ADA back at 242, but in a sense that's kind of trading sideways as well. We saw that initial run up today a couple hours ago to 250, which was good to see, but we also ran into some traffic at 250, so it's going to take some volume to step back up into ADA, and I do think we'll get that this week. Yes, and that's what I was saying about Algo. OMG, we saw it actually do its thing like FET did the other day. But I don't think FET was moving off of NFT news. So why, we saw Solana do its thing. I'm watching Algo very closely. Crypto Zach actually told me about Algo a couple of days ago, and it was something to do with the El Salvador stuff, and I was paying a little bit of attention to it. But when we saw it rip today, that's when my eyes really got glued to it, and I'm eager to see what it's doing. I'm not going to put any money into Algo. Honestly, guys, I think if I'm going to put some money somewhere, I'm going to look to buy some Hex. Hex is number 4 on the top 10 right now, and it's just Richard Hart's behind it. It's a great project. I can't knock it. There's nothing to knock about it. You could have made so much money on Hex if you'd have bought it even a month ago. It's up like 300% in a month, and it just shot its way to number 4 on the top 10 crypto list. Now, for all the new people that are in here for Hex, I'm currently working really hard to try to figure out the cheapest way to buy it. But as of right now, if you have a MetaMask, you can swap Ethereum for it, but you're going to get ate up in the gas fees, guys. And I just don't see it being as profitable for a short-term trader. So if you're looking for long-term, I think you'll be okay. It's just I'm researching, trying to find a way to buy it cheaper right now. And once I figure that out, I'll 100% let everybody know in the Discord. I'll let you know on the live stream. We try to live stream over here, 5, 6, maybe 7 days a week. Hopefully it'll be 7 days a week come shortly when crypto really starts moving like we think it's gonna move. So guys, if y'all new to the channel, man, I hope y'all subscribe to the channel, join the community. We got 100% free Discord. Let me drop that link in the box below. Drop my little command for the Discord, guys. 100% free Discord. Make sure y'all join up. And if y'all new to the channel, please smash that like button for us, man. We'd love to have you join our community. What's up, Lee 205? Hey, thank you, man. It's good to see you, man. Are you still holding some crypto, man? Or let me know. Man, I'd have to say, hey, thank you, Crypto Rufio, man. I just saw you hopped into this Discord, man. I'd have to say Hex already jumped pretty good, Crypto Zach. And yeah, if KuCoin would add it, that'd be perfect for retail. I mean, a lot of retail would definitely pick it up, because right now, the only way I know to buy it is you have to eat through all the gas fees, dude, and it sucks. Ethereum, the gas fees are just outrageous right now. Dr. GTI, you playing in the Bulldog fantasy game, football game? Are you talking about the league? Because I'm definitely in the league. I was supposed to set one up over here. I think it's a little too late. I don't know if we have enough people, but bro, I believe Bitmart has Hex. Can you confirm? I'll look it up, man. I will look it up. I'm not gonna dig into it on the stream. I'll drop it in the Discord if I figure it out. But yes, I was seriously doing some research right before the stream, trying to figure out how to get some Hex, and we're working on it, guys. We're trying to get it to you as cheap as possible, but Hex just number 4, like it just blew past Solana, blew past, a lot of major cryptos to get listed number 4. Richard Hart, wherever he's at on this planet right now, is a very happy man with his little Rolexes spinning behind his head. I don't know if you catch him on YouTube, but check out Richard Hart. Pretty smart dude, man. Really smart guy. And he's really big in the Hex. Really, really big. What's up, KC? Matt, did you sell Solana? No, I did not win Moon. I'm selling my Solana at 250, man. I think we're gonna hit that at some point between I'm bullish. You gotta remember that. I'm crazy. I think we're gonna hit 240, 250 by Friday, man. And I think I'm going to be looking to offset my Solana, because ADA, I'm not saying it's going to be the killer of Solana, but it's going to take a lot of steam away from it. And I think people are really going to open their eyes to ADA, because it pisses me off, man. It hasn't got it went to $3, but it's not getting the hype that honestly I think Cardano deserves right now. I think it's still underrated. And yeah, they had some problems with the testnet this week, so that affected the price. We saw it drop to $2. That was in the midst of the Bitcoin fiasco with El Salvador. So all at the same time, they are fixing it. They're working 24/7 right now to fix it and get it back launched. And they're not going to delay it. They're not going to. I think they have their ducks in a row. I think it will definitely get released September 12th. And, they might have a hiccup or two along the way. But ADA at 241 with no ecosystem, that is a strong buy for me personally. Let me get a sip of water real quick. And guys, I'm sorry if my webcam's a little glitchy. I think it's the black shirt. I'm blending in too much with the charts. That won't happen again. So sorry about that, guys. Oh, my team name is 101 Debris, man. I'm in the Hall of Fame League. Jonathan K says, CoinMarketCap says Hex on Uniswap and OX Protocol. If y'all guys can figure out some cheap ways to get it, I'm all for it. I'm gonna be doing heavy research tonight. When I hop off the stream, I'm going to look into this. Like I'm gonna do the same thing I did for SafeMoon, guys, but I'm gonna buy a little bit more Hex because I believe in it. Like, say you're not seeing SafeMoon sitting at number 4. Hex, man, it's so many cryptos that come to my attention, and I'm so focused on XRP, Doge, Ethereum, ADA right now that it's just. That's where my main focus is, and I'm seeing all these major runners. Yeah, we called Solana. That was great. But, I'm seeing a lot of these gainers. Like, Crypto Visions told us about FET the other night, and it ran a pretty good bit. It did. And you could have made some pretty nice profits, just hearing quick talks of people bringing up coins and tokens and stuff like that. So, a lot of craziness in the market right now. I never thought you'd see Hex at number 4. That blew my mind. And quite honestly, I don't think Hex is done either. I really don't. I think it's going to be easier, more accessible, now that it's finally getting some recognition. And I think Hex is a great long-term crypto, man. I really do. Richard Hart owns quite a bit of it. I don't know exactly how much, but I mean, how many whales own Bitcoin? How many whales own Dogecoin? I mean, to sit there and say I wouldn't want to buy it because Richard Hart owns most of it. It's like that with a lot of cryptos. So don't know. Bitcoin dropping. Let's see what's going on, man. Yeah, we got strong support right there where we're sitting, man. Let's see what happens. We'll watch it for a few minutes. Pull up the 5 minute. So that would let's see what happens right here. That might signify a little false break. 5 minute. You want to see a 5 minute open and close above it. We'll see what happens here. Solana at 216. Yeah, man. You might see 250 tomorrow, dude. Quite honestly. And look, if I don't sell the top for Solana, I'm perfectly good, man. I got in around $75, so I can't complain. I really can't. And if I sell at 250, I'm out. I'm gone. I done made my money. I'm happy. I think when you start getting around 250, I might even look at 240, man. I don't know. We'll have to see how the market's reacting. But Solana is absolutely crazy right now. Everything was down 30%. Solana was up 20%. The NFT markets is so underrated right now. I think people are awakening to that. And once ADA gets released, the ecosystem gets released, NFTs are going to start pumping through ADA, and it's just going to be a fun time. You're about to see some fun stuff happen in the crypto market, guys, and I hope you're ready. I hope y'all been loading the boat for the past couple months, and you're sitting tight. It's going to be a great time. It's going to be fun. I think we're going to get back to how it was when I first started streaming. Everybody was just, it was just absolutely insane. I think it's going to happen fast. I really do. I think when we have these major run-ups, it's going to be really, really fast and really violent. You'll be looking at 100K Bitcoin this year. Well, I'm the only only in the rookie league. And by the way, Mass Market, I used the Slap Your Mama Spice over the weekend. Hey, cool, man. I hope you enjoyed it, man. That's actually from my hometown where I'm from. I do have some people I do need to get that stuff out to, especially, you know, I was mailing some stuff out. It came back, so I don't know. We'll see. But dude, I'm glad you like it, man. Gas fees are high with Ethereum. Watch gas fees when you swap. Yep, gas fees will eat you alive, my friends. It's just the way it is right now. That's not going to be fixed until really February. And you know, even for Ethereum, I'm you know, if Bitcoin stops running, say it gets to 100K into September, early October, Ethereum could possibly run longer than that. And I'm saying that tentatively because the Ethereum 2.0 is actually set to release in February. But everybody that's staking 2.0 will actually be able to, you know, sell in February. So I think there'll be, you know, quite some selling pressure somewhere within that January to February timeframe with the release of all the Ethereum 2.0 staked. So keep that in mind. I do think we'll run a little bit longer on that side of things. But what I'm most interested in the short term right here, I want to see Solana hit 250. We might see it tomorrow. On the heels of that, we got ADA Sunday, and I keep saying ADA Sunday because I think ADA that's going to be a real big news catalyst for the whole crypto market. I really think that. And then on the heels of possibly toward the next week or two, we might see some big news on XRP, and then XRP could bounce back up. 109 right now for XRP. That's where I was looking to buy it 2 weeks ago. And we saw it break past 130, hit 140 briefly. It's heading back there. It's going to head back there pretty quickly. And yeah, we're seeing it dip a little bit today, 4%. But mark my words, XRP will be back to 130. And we'll see if we get that technical breakout, which I hope we will. But as of right now, crypto's, you know, it's having a little sell-off right now. But it's trading within these channels right here. Just up and down, sideways. It found stability in my mind. You know, anything ADA between 230 and 250 right now, pretty solid. If you're looking to add in, you could possibly add the lower side, but just be very cautious. I don't think we'll see another flash crash immediate like that. That was pretty violent, guys. I don't care how you shake it. When you drop 10K on Bitcoin in one single hour, that's a big deal. But like we say, it can dip as fast, it can rise as fast. And if Bitcoin would have rose 10K, instead of dip 10K, we sitting at all-time highs again. That's how you get 100K Bitcoin for the year, guys. Don't forget it. Crypto moves super quick, and we're still in a bull market, guys. Don't forget that. Whales have been fighting over Solana all day. I think you're getting to some all-time highs, man. I think you're gonna see some whales really start to hit it, really start to short it really good. My price, maybe the sell would be 180 right now, 190. I have an exit strategy. I'm not riding that thing back down. I can tell you right now, but I'm looking to off it at around 250. I'm looking to get rid of it. And, you know, I'm happy with that ride up because that was my original thought process. I said, man, you probably see 250 on Solana this year. And it ran up way quicker than anybody could imagine. But at least we caught the you know, not the first rip from like 25 to 60. At least we caught it at 60. The charts just looked like it was set up. I saw the hype pumping into the NFTs for you know, people buying it with Solana, and it was a lot of great news pumping in. I'm seeing the same thing for Bitcoin right now, guys. I'm seeing a lot of momentum, and yeah, we're slightly red on the day. We're seeing some selling pressure. It's totally normal at night. Usually crypto dips while you sleep. You wake up, it's right back to where it was. I mean, that's just the way the market does right now, and it's not alarming to me. I talked to a few people that were, you know, I know a few people short on Bitcoin right now. You know, good for you. Like, I really hope you make some profits. I really do. Just be careful. That's all I'm trying to say. Just be careful because I'm expecting some pretty good spikes coming shortly, guys. Thank you, Dr. GTI, man. Much love, dude. Much appreciated, my man. People trading split coin for other stuff? Yes, man. They are, dude. They're moving money in and out all the time. All the time. We saw Panama. They are filing to make Bitcoin legal tender in their country. So there we go, guys. We saw El Salvador do it. Now we're seeing Panama do it. I thought a bunch of countries within the region would start to pick it up, and I don't think it's done there. I think you'll see more and more countries start to adapt and pick up cryptocurrency. And I think pretty shortly you could see some off-the-wall crypto. You can see Ethereum. You can see, ADA. You're going to start to see different cryptocurrencies be adopted by these countries. And, it's a great time to be in crypto. I think we're going to finish off the year really, really strong. But you have to look back at the charts because, that's all you have to look back to is the charts. That's it. And every time we have a bull cycle where we run up this massive amounts of gains, you always retrace 85%. So just keep that in mind, guys. I'm looking for 85% retracement after the finish of this bull cycle this year. And then I'll be looking to take profits. If I don't time the top, I don't time the top. But I'm looking to take profits this year. And of course, I'll let everybody know. But when I sell the top, I'm not going to go run off and buy a bunch of stuff and do all this crazy stuff. I'm going to be looking to reinvest somewhere within the next couple months after that when we start hitting some pretty good lows. And, if crypto holds true to patterns, that's exactly what we could be in store for. Yes, that is Win Moon. What's up, Robert D, man? How you doing? Thank you very much for tuning in, man. Can't stay long, not feeling good, but looking to BTBT. Hey, OMG, I hope you feel better. Really do. I sure will. Is that something you got into, BTBT? I watch West Side and Bulldog, man. Ever since he came on the stream one night and he said big things, it's stuck in my head and I can't get it out. It's like I can't get BTBT out of my head. I keep saying big things when I think about it. But yeah, it's touching the 200-day moving average. So it's got a little ascending level of support. RSI is a little hot. It might stay that way. You might get the break above it. I'm more into the HUT category right now. I think HUT's gonna do pretty well. I mean, we're getting that bounce off that 200 right here in 5 minute. Let's check the 4 hour, see what it's doing. $13 mil Bitcoin shorted. So that bull flag kind of fell out. You lost out on this bull flag. So, but it's trying to do its thing. It didn't drop below its level of support, and you still got that 50-day hooking towards that 14-day on the 4 hour. You can see that RSI needs to cool off, needs to come back down. You might see a retest somewhere around $9 if Bitcoin doesn't start picking up here shortly, but I'm fully expecting it to. I think HUT's going to be an absolute killer for the rest of the year, guys. I really think he'll treat you well. What's up, Jason Gregory, dude? How you doing, man? When we go and party after this bull run, man, it's gonna be a good time. Let's pull up some ADA. We'll talk about some ADA because we got the great news coming for Sunday, which I've been waiting for a long time. And this is what I'm talking about for the 4 hour chart, guys. This is why the 4 hour is so super important. The RSI is super low right now. We saw that when it hit $2, came back up really fast. I think this big 4 hour candle right here was part of this where we bounced off the 200. I think that was the whales. I think the rest of that candle was liquidations. And I may be wrong. Nobody knows for sure. It's complete speculation at this point. But that's honestly what I think it was. Saw a hard pop back. And we were respecting that 50-day, that 200-day moving average. And for the longest time, we respected that 50 days. So I'm still super bullish on it, dude. I think you could possibly form a little cup and handle right here and then take off. We'll see what happens. It could be setting up for a pretty decent cup right here. So that's what I'm expecting leading into Sunday. And we'll see what happens, guys. But as of right now, You got pretty good resistance at 250. We hit that 250 mark today. You still got that 14-day moving average, and you know, a lot of that's from all this selling off right here, why it's hooking so hard. I think once you start getting some volume stepping back in, get that 14-day hooking again, you'll be right back to Tendy Town, guys, and we'll be sitting nice and fresh right there. Let's see what we got. What's up, RW? Looks like Shiba Inu will be added to Coinbase any day now, holding 300 million coins. If it hits 1/5 of a penny, I'd be happy. I hear you, RW. Just remember, I did see the news. I posted in the Discord today. I don't know if everybody caught it, but yes, the news came out. Shiba's getting listed to Coinbase. And what happens 9 times out of 10 when a coin is set to get listed onto Coinbase, usually has a pretty massive run up and then dips right after that. So keep that in mind. Had a pretty good day today. I don't know where it's currently at right now. I can pull it up here. Let's pull it up real quick. Let's check Shiba, because we never pull up Shiba on the live streams over here. And it's actually now on Webull. Let's check it out. Up 16% today. 16.29. I saw it as high as 20. This is the 4-hour chart. You know, briefly went over that 200-day moving average. That's probably when it was up 20%. RSI is not too bad. They'll probably, here's what I'm thinking about the Coinbase listing. They'll probably treat it like Doge, and they'll just put it out there, and then everybody will figure out it's on there, and then, you know, that might be it with it. Who knows? You might see a little sell-off from right here tomorrow, or it could continue to rip. If you see it hop above that 200-day moving average, I think you're right back up to 846 right there. You got pretty good resistance at that point. I don't know if that would be... Look, guys, the way I'm treating Shiba, and I'll be honest with you, I'm going to pick some up. Yesterday would have been the day to actually buy some, but you know what? I didn't. It's super cheap for $100, $200. Even if I throw $1,000 at it, and I hold that for 2 bull cycles, and it's listed on the major exchanges. Yes, I run the chance it could go to 0. I'm fully aware of that. But Shiba kind of stuck around throughout the mix of the last Dogecoin run-up. People thought it was a knockoff. I thought it was a knockoff. I was not going to honestly even touch it. But it's growing on me, is what I'm trying to say. Stuff can grow on you. Things can change. And I'm not sitting here saying I'm a big-time Shiba bull, but it's sticking around. It's getting listed on these major exchanges. I'm going to look at it. I'm going to pay attention to it now. Before, to me, it was a SHIT coin. That's all it was. Now, yes, it has some following. It has some backing. I'm sure you can go on YouTube and research Shiba Inu Live and, you know, find a good channel with, you know, pretty good amount of people in there. So just pay attention to it, guys. I'm not throwing a whole bunch at it, but it could possibly do something in the future is all I'm saying. It could possibly do something similar to what Doge did and possibly get, you know, 1 cent, maybe, you know, we'll see. We'll cover that, but I don't think it's going to be this year. It might not even be next bull cycle. It might be a 8-year hold right there, but we'll see, guys. We will see. Bought me some HUD today. I saw that, Jason Greger, man. Hey, dude, I hope it treats you well, man. It's been treating us extremely well. And when Bitcoin gets back on track, which I'm thinking it's going to be very shortly, man, I think HUD will continue to take you to Tendy Town, man. What's up, Alex? How you doing, man? Robert Dean, mass market is at 1.59K subs. Yep, my goal for this year is 5K, and I think once the market rips, dude, I think we'll hit that pretty good. I'm gonna capitalize on this next market run up, man. And guys, we're 10 subscribers away from 1,600, so thank y'all very much for all the love and support y'all been showing me, man. And if I could just ask y'all like, subscribe, maybe share the video with a friend that wants to get into the cryptocurrency market. We'd love to have an add to our community whenever we can. So thank y'all very much. When HUD does good, remember I told you about it. Yeah, OMG, I hope you feel better. I really do. Really, really do. Got Mr. Alex in the house. Pick me up some sheep just in case, man. That's what I'm gonna do too, Alex, man. I'm not treating it like I'm you know, right now this bull cycle, I'm gonna get rich off of it. I think if I hold it, you know, buy a couple $100 worth, it could possibly do well, man. That's all I'm saying. And I got hopes for it. I really do. I wouldn't even bring it up or mention it. So we'll see what happens. Possibly one day you might make a, you know, you'd have thrown $1,000 in the Doge in the beginning, you'd have been sitting up well over that. So possibilities, man. That's all I'm saying. That's what led me to buying the Safe Moon. Yeah, I'm still holding the Safe Moon. Whether it does something or not, I'm not worried about it. I'm not stressing. That's the best way to trade, when you're not stressing. That's why I always encourage people, if you're up 100%, possibly look at playing on house money. That way there's no way you can lose. You secure your original investment, and then you're out the door, and then whatever happens at that point, you can hold it for long term, and you're not worried about losing anything at that point. So I threw $20 in sheep. Probably got you a good amount too. Awesome, Alex. Awesome, dude. I think Safe Moon is better than sheep, in my opinion. Quite possibly, man. Quite possibly. I think we'll find out next couple years. We'll find out. I'll root for both of them, man. Honestly, you know, Safe Moon's got the wallet. I haven't even kept up with that. I don't know how it's going. So anybody in the chat, if you have the Safe Moon wallet, could you let us know if you have it and if it's going well for you? Because I heard there was some issues with it, but I don't keep up enough with Safe Moon. I'm worried about the major mainstream cryptos right now. And when I bring up the Shiba stuff, I'm just saying I'm going to throw a little bit at it at some point this year and let it ride. Forget about it, you know, and treat it like that. I grabbed some HUT, couldn't buy much. Still need this stock I bought to sell. I got you, man. Jonathan K says, Shiba, buy a nibble, lock it in the closet, and forget about it. That's exactly what I'm doing, man. Eagle 3, you got the right mindset. That's the same track I'm on, dude. Bought some sheep 3 months ago. Very long-term play, 3 to 5 years. Yeah, I'm all for it. Next bull cycle, you could be sitting on some pretty nice returns. I'm kind of thinking more along the lines of the next 8 years. That would give us 2 cycles to really see where things are going. The SEC announced today crypto is not going anywhere. They understand that. Crypto is going to be here, guys. I don't care what they say, how they shake it. I think cryptocurrency is the future, man. Especially, I think NFTs are the future. People don't give NFTs enough credit where credit's due. NFTs are causing the pump in Solana right now. So you see the potential, you see the hype there. NFTs are going to take the marketplaces. It's going to go hand in hand with crypto. All right, let's get back to Doge real quick. Check out some Dogecoin, our favorite cryptocurrency over here at Matt's Market. Crypto Rufio says, I love some Safe Moon. There's nothing wrong with that, man. The Psycho Pearl, Shiba will never hit 1 cent, maybe in like 75 years from now. Yeah, man. And look, man, I'm not sitting here saying that it's gonna hit 1 cent, man. I'm not even throwing any price predictions at it. I'm just simply saying that Shiba did not go away from this last run up we had with Doge when it first came out. And you know, I thought it was a SHIT coin for the longest time, but now it's getting listed on the major exchanges. I'm gonna pay attention to it and possibly throw something at it. You know, if I treat it like Safe Moon, dude, $100 into it, I'm not worried about it. I don't care what it does. And if it does possibly make some really good returns in 8 years, cool, man. I'm not worried about it. It's some beer drinking money. That's all it is. Not concerned about it, man. Once Elon starts launching rockets, Doge fly like Falcon. You got it, Win Moon. You got it, dude. I'm super excited for some new rocket launches, man. Psycho Pearl, man, I see you new to the channel. I hope you consider subscribing, becoming a member, man. We have a 100% free Discord, man. Let me drop that link for you. It's probably going to pop up 3 Discord links like it did last time. But nonetheless, man, hope you join our community, man. Bought 200 million, just need 10. We'll be very happy. That's what's up, Eagle. I'll be very happy for you too, my man. I got you, Winmu. It's tough, Pearl. It really is, man. You know, 2.5 weeks ago when Solana was sitting at 68 bucks, I brought it to everybody's attention over here. Maybe people were watching it before, but I saw what was going on in the market with the NFTs, and I saw the hype, the volume stepping in Solana. We brought it on when it was 68. I hopped in at 75, dude. I'm still thinking that 250 in the short term right here might be a top 40. And I think it might hit that tomorrow, possibly even Friday, and it could blow past it. But I'm going to be looking to take some profits at 250 in the short term, man, just because of what's happening with Cardano on September 12th. I think Cardano is going to pick up some steam and take some away from Solana. So there's a lot going on in the market right now. I'm still really bullish on Solana, and I do think it'll go higher eventually. I'm watching that 250 number, man, possibly even 240. At some point, it's gonna have to cool off, man. That it's been ripping and running, and I mean everything was down yesterday, 30%, and Solana was still up 20-30%. So at some point, it's gonna have a turn down, and it might be the ADA stuff. And if it's not, great. But that's the price points I'm looking at right now. I can't really give you nothing for December because I don't know what's gonna happen with ADA and all these other cryptos out there right now. I think they're gonna take some steam away from it. all weekend. We get a little green. Let's see if we hop back above 25 right here. But you could see a dip quite a bit tonight, guys. It could dip a little bit. I mean, it can. We saw it last night. Having some trouble getting back above 25 on Doge right here. What's the best time to get into ADA? Only got 50 coins from this dip. I think I should invest a couple of hundreds on it. Me personally, dude, as of right now, me personally, like if I had to pick up some more, I'd wait for like a 238 dip. Let me pull it up. Looks like we're getting a little bit of a false break here signal. We'll verify that here in a second. But you can see that next 5-minute candle is putting us right back above it. But I don't want to speak too soon. Let's go check out ADA real quick and we'll revert right back to see what's going on right there. Cardano, I mean, look at that, guys. That's a 5-minute chart. That looks pretty healthy. Really healthy. What is this? Okay, all right. Are y'all guys seeing this? This is the 250 mark. That ain't right. Something ain't right with the charts right here. This is the 250 level, but it's showing 240 right here. Give me a second. Let me look this up. Yeah, ADA's at 240 right now. Something ain't right with this. Hold on. Let me go to 4 hour. Okay, there you go, 240. All right. I was looking at that for a second. I'm like, man, am I going crazy? No. Okay. So it is at 240. The charts on the 5-minute were apparently stuck. So as of right now, 250, you got really pretty good level of resistance right here. So I would say if you can pick some up around 232, 235 range, dude, if you're looking to hold it long term, I think you'll be awesome, man. I think you'll be set. I'm expecting major moves for Cardano this weekend, man. Sunday the 12th, they're doing the upgrades. The ecosystem gets released. I think it's going to be a great time for it, man. Now, it's coming off the heels of, possibly, we've been talking about ADA since it was 85 cents over here. It first got brought to our attention. It's been doing great things since then. I rode it last cycle. I was in at $1. I rode it up to the high of the last cycle was what, 247, somewhere around that range. And I never sold. I rode it all the way back down to $1, but it never broke my buy-in point. And I'm not concerned about it. But if you're looking for a good buy-in, if you're holding it long term, I think you're sitting at a pretty good price right here, man. I mean, are you going to argue yourself over 5 cents? I think it's set up for another run, at least to $3 again with the release of the ecosystem. Because right now, Cardano has no major purpose. You can transfer it, send it, but that's about it. When the ecosystem gets released, you're going to have smart contracts, people buying NFTs, all this good stuff going on with it, man. It's going to be worth significantly higher than what you're seeing it at. A bunch of whale shorts on Bitcoin right now. Doge had the false break, 25.18, boom. And that's what I mean, guys. Simple technical analysis can really keep you from selling. So, like, if you would have just been sitting there reading the charts, if you're day trading, swing trading, doing all that good stuff, I look at the 5-minute when I'm swing trading. And you had this level of support, you broke underneath it, but that next 5-minute candle is significant because you want to see it pop right back above. That's called what you call a false break. Now, this next 5-minute candle could possibly get rejected at the 14 or the 200-day moving average right here. But if you get enough volume stepping in, and that RSI is still pretty low right here, if you get that RSI and some volume stepping back in, and China getting excited about the market, you could easily push back above that in the short term. That's not the big one to worry about. The major one for your long-term plays is the 4-hour chart, and that's what I tend to look at. And right now you got the 14-day moving average in between this big channel of support and resistance, so you're gonna have some little bit of trouble hopping over this one, which is sitting at 26.46. So there's a point possibly, you know, if we dip a little bit tonight, we might get a bunch of volume stepping back into tomorrow, where you could possibly go up to touch 26.46. That's going to change, give or take a couple percentage, and we'll see what happens. But that's why the moving averages are so important. And I tend to look at the 14-day, the 50, and the 200-day. But look, guys, Doge is looking to, you know, trade sideways and consolidate, which is signifying to me we might have found a low floor. We might have found some support right here, and the RSI is still super low right here. So you have room for that RSI to really heat up and start pushing the market back up. And that's what I'm really hoping for leading into the weekend, especially with the smart contract release. Everybody knows ADA gonna rock it. Yes, sir, Mr. Robert Dean. If anyone is new to mass market, hit that subscribe button. Really helps the channel. It's really appreciate it. Yes, thank you guys. If y'all are new, like Pearl, man, I really hope you you stick around, man. Hit the subscribe button for us. Join our community, man. Binance is also having some trouble, but it's steady. I'm not into Binance, man. I'm really not. I tend to stick to the you know, it is a big crypto, yeah. But I'm more of the mainstream, like ADA, Doge, XRP, even Solana right now. Algo could have a really decent day tomorrow. It's set up for it. It could run another 30%. But will it be like FET? We saw FET run pretty good amount yesterday, and it pretty much fell on its face today. But Algo's moving off NFT news, and we see what Solana's doing. Algo's one to have on your radar right now, guys. It's 100% one to have on your radar. What's up, Steve Austin? How you doing, man? Much love, dude. Thank you for tuning in, man. Thank you very much for tuning in. So, guys, for tomorrow, say we dip a little bit tonight. We drop below 25, somewhere within that 24 channel right here, because we have strong support at 24 right here. So say we drop briefly below somewhere around 24, pop right back up. We could have a pretty good run up back to 26.26. Now look, that's crazy how that candle is 26.37, the high of this one. That's probably where that moving average was at that time, and or somewhere within on one of these charts on the 5-minute. That's probably where you got rejected at. So I'm fully looking on the 4-hour chart right here for that to be a pretty good level to get over. And then after that, you know, you're really quickly back up in the 27-cent range. 27.50 is another pretty good level of resistance. We're gonna have to hop back over. And then once we start breaking through all these other levels, 30 cents is gonna be that next super major psychological level for Doge. What can happen very quickly. And ADA could be the domino effect for the market come Sunday. So that's why I remain super bullish on it. That's what I'm waiting for. KuCoin all the way for exchanges. I like some KuCoin, man. I do. Yep. Thank you for subscribing, Psycho Pearl. Thank you very much, man. Do you think it's a good time to invest on Ethereum? Man, to be honest with you, I do think Ethereum's going to do some major things this year. You saw the flash crash yesterday. I think yesterday was the time to really be buying Ethereum. And if you're looking to get in, my personal opinion is it'd be pretty quick, man. You know, I was buying Ethereum at this year for 23, and it's already, you know, doing its thing, man. Let's see where Ethereum's at right now. 34.49. If you get rejected, like if you're gonna sit there and watch the charts and look for a good buying opportunity, you got the 14-day. This is the 4-hour. Remember, RSI is still pretty low. 14-day moving average is coming down to a level of resistance. We might bounce right here, come back down. You might be able to pick it up somewhere around the 33.50 range, and possibly watch it trade sideways, maybe for another day. I would think tomorrow, if it's not, would be similar to today, maybe slightly green, maybe a little red here and there. I think it's going to be a pretty flat day, and I think stuff will start to heat up pretty quickly after that, leading into Friday. And I'm calling a good weekend this weekend. That's what I'm honestly giving the sentiment around the market. I think it's going to be a good weekend for crypto. You know, weekends are usually pretty tough for us, and that's just how it is in the crypto market. And nights too, you know, it could dip a decent amount tonight, and you wake up and then it'll be right back to where it was before. That's the same thing we saw last night. So guys, if you're fully invested, you're long-term holding, you're not worried about this. But you know, we got guys in the community that are trading a pretty significant amount of Dogecoin, and they just got, you know, ate up and got stuck for that flash crash. And you know, I do think it's coming back. I don't think we're heading to 16 before we head to back up to 30. I think we're gonna start heading back in the right direction, and hopefully ADA leads us there. Hopefully it'll start taking charge, and that's why, I'll say it again, I'm you know, kind of watching Solana right now very closely, because I think it's edging the top. So, but for tomorrow, let's watch it. Let's see what it does. Only time can tell at this point in time. No one knows what the whales are actually going to do at any given point. I don't think they're going to flash crash it again. I think that last one hurt. And look, a lot of people lost their margin counts. It's going to take a couple days for these people to get back on their feet and start, you know, if they come back. But I think you're going to start to see some more margin kick in. That RSI is real low. I think that RSI is going to heat up and really start pushing crypto back. I mean, you're really not sitting off too bad from where we were. This ain't horrible to make up. We can make that up pretty quickly. So it's not like trying to come back from 1700 on Ethereum. 1699 was actually a low, and I know it because I was watching it. That was hard to make up. This right here, this little flash crash, 15, 20, 25% makeup, that's not going to be as hard as that first initial crash back in May. So we'll see, guys. I'm super bullish for it. Well, we got the start of the new day right here. Let me see. No, not quite yet. And Ethereum's already going green right now. 34.66. So your next major level right here is 35.60. So we'll see what happens, man. I'll be watching Ethereum. I'm still super bullish on Ethereum. I think you'll see Ethereum in between 7 and 10,000 pretty quickly to end out this bull cycle. So we'll see what happens, my man. Yep, 27 likes. Let's go. Hey, thank y'all, man. Thank y'all for liking the video. Like I said, we're a small growing community, man. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. If y'all could just real quickly hit that like button for me, it helps get the video out in front of more people. I honestly think that's what we need. We just need the exposure. We got the community. We got a great community. We got Bear. He calls out plays all day. OMG has great plays. Everybody does a part. And man, I'm really happy to be the one actually sitting here reporting all this stuff and being a part of this community, man, because together we're a great team. We really are. And I appreciate each and every one of y'all. What's up, Jack Dong? Did you talk about Solana price prediction? I did, man. I think short term, possibly between tomorrow and Friday, I think you'll hit that 250 mark. Possibly run to 3, possible. I think it's going to start to stall out between 250, 300, man. And, you know, we called Solana a couple weeks ago at 68. You know, I saw Solana at 25 bucks a while back. And I watched it creep from 25 to 68. And I'm not the type of guy that gathers sentiment in the market pretty heavily. I'm in and out of chats, hearing what people are talking about, keeping up to date with NFT news. And I was hearing a lot of steam gathering for Solana, so I put it on the radar. Nonetheless, the last 2 weeks, it blew up. And that's where we're sitting. But somewhere within 250 to 300 is kind of what I'm thinking towards the top end right now. I don't know about December. We're going to have to find out. We got ADA. I think it's going to take some steam away from it in the short term, being that the ecosystem gets released on the 12th, man. So I really hope that helps. And I hope you're making super good tendies in the market right now, man. Hey, man. Jack Feely, thank you, man. Much love, dude. Dude, I hope ALGO has a great day. I'm kind of getting the sense of ALGO, basically like Solana, man. I mean, the NFTs are pushing ALGO. I think you're gonna have a good day tomorrow. That's my feel for it. I think it'll be pretty good. I hope you see another 25, 30%. You know, I'm all for it, man. I really, really am. Jack Feely, man, if you can hit that subscribe button for me. You too, Jack Dong. Greatly appreciate y'all, man, and hope y'all join the community. Oh, what's up, One Shot GT, man? What's happening, dude? That's my boy, man. What's going on, man? You taking a break from the garage to come check us out, man? Thank you very much for tuning in. I'm gonna post it again for you guys. I got a 100% free Discord, man. You know, I thought about it, quite honestly. I was like, well, I'll probably make it a member-only Discord. But you know what, guys? I'm not going to be like that. I'm sticking to my roots. I started this channel to help people. And I'm not going to charge people to come hang out in a group. So that's going to remain 100% free. We're not changing none of that. That's out the door. I don't know. I guess I was getting some bad advice from some people. You know, so at one point I was thinking about charging people for the Discord. That's not going to happen, guys. We're going to keep it 100% free. We're going to build this community from within and try to make some pretty good attendees together this year, guys. D-Grade, I hope you're off tomorrow, man. It says it's going to be a good sleep tonight. I'm with you, dude. I am pretty exhausted myself. Especially I had a lot going on last night. The stream, I really caught it late. And I came on regardless because, guys, I couldn't go to sleep without talking to y'all about what happened with the flash crash. It just would have ate me up. So guys, pretty much, let's hope for a slightly green day tomorrow. And then Friday into the weekend, really look to take off. I will update everybody in the Discord. I have some plans for ADA come Sunday. Live streaming the event because there'll be a time period kind of like hard fork where Ethereum goes down for possibly an hour or two before it comes back up, and there'll be a countdown ticker. I got some plans coming up. I'm gonna keep everybody updated as soon as they're 100% verified, and it's gonna be fun for everybody. Nope, I'm off tomorrow. Awesome, dude. Hope you get some sleep, man. Get you some good rest. Dr. Derbs. That's my man right there, dude. I'm rooting for Dr. Derbs, man. He is a whale, and he is one of the guys that, you know, he was in Doge for the flash crash. And, dude, Derbs, man, I'm with you, dude. I didn't sell. I'm holding there with you, man. It's coming back, and we're going to make some tendies off this one, man. I think crypto, man, I'm not a hype dude at all, but I'm fully, what I'm feeling in the market right here and what I'm gathering is some pretty good things are happening. I think XRP is going back to 130 pretty quick. I think Doge will be back to 30 pretty quick. ADA, I'm fully expecting at least a retest of $3 here in the short term, off the heels of smart contracts, and it's going to be a beautiful thing, guys. One Shot GT, I put some cars in Crypto Vision's cars and fishing category, some old schools. I'll go check that out, man, because I'm a sucker for old school cars, man. I really am. One Shot GT, man, if you got some old road runners, man, if you could post those, man. But those old cars that you are actually restoring, man, those things are really nice. Really, really nice. All right, so we touched base on Doge. It was good to see that false break just now at 25 cents, getting a bounce. ADA starting to get a bounce too. Let's check out Bitcoin real quick, see where it's at. I don't keep up with BTT, man. So right now, 45 is still respecting that 45 level of support, guys. So I don't like it riding it. Nonetheless, that's where we're at right here. Hopefully, we do end up getting some pretty good volume and a break back to the upside. I don't think it's going to be as hard coming. You know, it's not going to be as bad coming back from 26 to 52 as it is from, you know, 46, 45, 46 to 52. So this little correction was, it was due for it. It was. And, you know, nonetheless, I think we're heading back. Hey, be safe, safe out there, D-Grade, man. Awesome, dude. So, guys, that's what I got for y'all tonight. I'm going to go ahead and shut the stream down because it's getting a little late on my end. I need to get some rest, dude. Thank y'all for tuning in. Greatly appreciate it. You know, much love to everybody that's been supporting me. Nothing but love here, guys. We'll be live tomorrow night. Hopefully, we'll be looking at some pretty decent green charts, and we'll see what algo does. I'm very interested to see what algo is about to do. Hopefully, it's a green day. That thing is going to continue. I'm pretty sold on algo being a pretty decent long-term buy, a solid buy at that. So we had my buddy Crypto Zach actually brought it to our attention a day or two ago. You know, I didn't expect it to do what it did, man. I honestly didn't, and I'm super happy about it, man. Super happy. But we'll see what happens with that tomorrow. I'm watching that one very closely. Even FET, Crypto Visions told us about FET. I want to see what FET does to rebound off this day today, and possibly see where it heads. Solana, man, I'm watching it very closely. 240 to 250. Make sure you're watching it. One Shot GT became a member, man. Thank you very much, dude. Greatly appreciate you, my man. Really do, man. Thank you very much for deciding to become a member. And I'm going to be changing those little logos on the side to maybe an Elon Musk head. I think some people had voted on that. So we'll definitely check that out. Now, thank you, Derbs. Really appreciate you, man. Robert Dean, you the man. Each and every one of y'all. Rick the Whale, One Shot GT, man. Y'all are all fam now, man. If y'all need me, guys, I'll be in the Discord. I'll be chilling out, watching everything, gathering sentiment in the market. And if you need me, just reach out to me. I'm a click away. So for all the new people out there, I hope y'all consider subscribing to the channel. We try to live stream every night, 5 to 6 nights a week. You know, I need a break every now and then. I'm not human, but we have a very cool community. I hope you consider joining, hitting that subscribe and like button for us. And until then, I will catch each and every one of y'all tomorrow night. And thank y'all very much again. So until tomorrow, guys, much love and peace.